Hey space enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into something monumental. NASA's classified space weather research. Yes, you heard that right, classified. Let's break it down. First off, what is space weather? It's not like Earth's weather. Space weather involves conditions on the sun and in the solar wind that can impact spaceborne and ground-based technological systems. We're talking about solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and solar energetic particles. These can mess with our satellites, power grids, and even astronaut safety. Now, NASA's partnering with the Laboratory for Atmospheric and Space Physics, also known as LASP, to tackle these challenges head-on. They've signed a Space Act agreement to improve space weather instrumentation and integrate these instruments into satellites. This is a big deal, folks. It means better predictions and safeguards for our tech and astronauts. One of the shining stars in this initiative is NOAA's Space Weather Next program, or SW-NEXT. Picture this, spacecraft positioned at Lagrange points L1 and L5. These are sweet spots in space where the gravitational forces of Earth and the Sun balance out. They'll continuously monitor the Sun, giving us an edge in predicting space weather events. But that's not all. Two observatories, part of the L1 series, are set for launch in 2029 and 2032. And then there's the Sol-B mission in 2032, equipped with a cutting-edge X-ray irradiance sensor, or XRIS, to measure solar radiation and predict those pesky solar energetic particles. ESA, the European Space Agency, is also jumping in with the Vigil mission in 2031. This international collaboration will provide early warnings of solar activity. NOAA's compact coronagraph will be a key player in this mission. What about the tech behind all this? NASA and NOAA are developing two space-based instruments specifically for monitoring solar radiation and space weather. They're calling on industry partners to help integrate, test, and launch these instruments. A draft solicitation for this collaboration is expected in spring 2025, with contracts awarded by January 2026. The next part is crucial: data and operations. Ground services will command and control these missions, process the data, and distribute products. All this info will be available through the Space Weather Prediction Center and the National Centers for Environmental Information. It's not just for the US. Data will be shared with international agencies, academia, and commercial entities to ensure a global understanding of space weather. Recently, on April 17, 2025, a space weather simulation exercise was conducted. This helps prepare for real-world events. Plus, new coronagraph data from the latest GOES satellite was released on March 19, 2025. So why does this matter? Improving space weather forecasting is vital for protecting our critical infrastructure and national security. The more we understand and anticipate space weather, the better we can safeguard our technology-dependent world. That's it for today's dive into NASA's classified space weather research. If you found this insightful, smash that like button and subscribe for more cosmic content. Stay curious and keep looking up.